Okay guys, this is our ready to use S1200 one part, one coat, semi-gloss finish wet look product. Here's your 1, 2, 3 step video on actually how easy it is to use our products. You're going to receive your 5-gallon bucket. Simple, open it up, pull your tab out. We recommend you use a funnel, a hand sprayer, or an automatic sprayer. Maybe a funnel so you don't make a mess. You're just going to pour some right in here. All of our products are sprayable, water-based. So basically, this has the built-in color enhancement, and it's ready to use. And then you're just going to go ahead and start applying it to your pavers. You're going to see a nice white buildup. That's the actual sealer. And all you're going to be wanting to do is one nice wet coat to where you see all we call it milking up. And it's as simple as that. Your pavers have been sealed.